Hi everyone, welcome to my channel How to Geek, where I provide you with daily tech tips and helpful guides. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to enroll in Wells Fargo online. So first, what you want to do is open up your browser, tap on the search bar, type in Wells Fargo, and then tap Go. Tap on the first link that comes up. Tap on the three-lined icon on the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on the option that says Enroll in Wells Fargo online. Now what you want to do is type in your social security number here, and if you don't have a social security number, tick this box and type in your ATM or debit card number, and if you don't have the ATM or debit card number, then you can tick this box. Put in your date of birth and your last name and tap continue. And there you have it. You have successfully enrolled for Wells Fargo online. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell for our channel.